and put the rock light switch, which is, where is it?
I give it to you. Where is it?
Over here. It's fine.
And it's broken.
Which is going to go right there. Where you just see me go, when you drop it and you go, it's broken, and then I go and pick it up. Would that be funny if that was features at the start of the video?
Hilarious.
Would you do that? Just have that little clip where I drop it, and you go, it's broken. I go, it's fine.
She broke.
Do
you want to redo it now?
Yeah, I will read it.
Okay.
I will do it.
It's recording already.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Alright, so I got two small upgrades for the 2022 Renegade. I'm going to replace the halogens, both with HIDs, and there are 9005s. So I got those right here. Just some Amazon, cheapy things. And same with some rock lights. So
Woo-hoo!
yeah, exactly. So I got some rock lights to make it all jazzy. Because I don't want to do tires yet. I'm going to run the cryptids for the winter and then do some naders for the summer. But for now, this is pretty much going to be the upgrading for the season. Except for actually, no, I got something else coming up, but that's going to be in a different video. It's more of a custom work where with some grinding and stuff going on, which is to do with this too. So yeah. Is this thing on? All right. So just finished up the Renegade, and I'll put the rock plate switch right here. Nice and easy. Everything's all wired in, tucked in. I got the set of rock lights attached to the SLG plastic support here. Figure that's a good spot for it. It's the same on the other side, and then on the fronts, it is just right there. I figure that's a pretty good spot for it, and inside it's all hollow in there, so the wiring is all nicely tucked in there. And shut off the lights and flip these bad boys on. And I got the switch that's lit up too, so you can see it in the dark. So I just got to set the pink right now because, well, kind of matches the rest of the machine. The back looks really killer, the way it lights it up. So cool. Yeah, and obviously you can program these to music and different patterns and all that good stuff, but I just like the solid on off. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty well. And next thing is to upgrade the halogens and those, because those suck. Get back to you when that's done. All right, light bulbs are in. Look way better than oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That looks pretty cool. Much better of an upgrade, I think. I still got to zip tie these wires up, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's going to be all the upgrades for now anyways. Might do some clutching work here, but yeah, other than that, just pretty much ready for the family day ride. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching this quick little clip. Renegade, it's a couple small minor upgrades. I know people have seen this stuff before, but yeah, Some people like to watch that stuff. Oh, I don't know if I talked about this. Got that welded, so now it doesn't rattle. The only thing that rattles is this and just that drum, but this piece used to shake so much in here inside the sleeve, so it's all welded in there. Kept the 2-inch receiver in case I need to use it for something, but yeah, that's way better. Way better. All right, thanks for watching. See ya. Actually, pull up to the fence so it's guarded. Okay, lights on. All the way. Holy jeez. Okay, turn them off. Down. Oh my God. Wow. My neighbors love me. I swear they do. Oh my God. I swear they love me. Wow, it is cold outside.